We don't need a handful of people doing zero waste perfectly. We need millions of people doing it imperfectly. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, the lecturers. I'm Ivonny with Amara, Fadil, Alonzo, Nabil, Rhania, and Yuanita will present our innovative product called Bareca. Here's our topic. Start from NPD model analysis. Bareca is an innovative product in personal care packaging made from bamboo and areca. This makes Bareca has the advantage of 100% biodegradable packaging. We designed Bareca to make it easy for our customer and not pollute to the environment by making a bottle cap like toothpick. Also, there's a seed paper on each bottle to be a planting medium when the product runs out, and a scanned sample so customer can smell the product without having to open the seal and packaging. Our customers also can request a design. On designing Bareca, we have benchmarking with 3 similar products. First, Paboco bottle from Paper Bottle Company. The strength of this bottle is compatible with the paper recycling stream and ergonomics design. However, the weakness is customer can customize the design and the size. Second, metal packaging by Trivium Packaging. The strengths of this product are that the price is quite cheap and infinitely recyclable because it is in the form of metal. However, the weakness is customer cannot customize the size and design.
Hello, I'm Yuanita Artika U and I would like to continue the presentation. So we also compare our product to the refill aluminum bottle by the Body Shop. The first strength of the product is an ergonomic design, which makes it easier for the customer to use. And the second strength is the durability of the packaging, which could be reused about 3 times due to very strong materials. But the weakness is we cannot implement the pump part to our product Bareca because it will be more difficult due to the limited requirements on the production process. And in the conversion process model, the input is not only in the form of customer needs, but also we use and search literature as an input in the formation of the technical concept as well. And then the concept will be developed into a product design, which will be processed to produce products as an output. We are more focusing on customer centrics, which is finding new ways to solve customer problems and creating more customer satisfying experiences as well. The key takeaways we can conclude is the conversion process model we use because in the development process, we use a lot of information which could be the voice of customers as well as literatures and benchmarking against existing product. And it means we are considering the internal scope. We are not only considering the internal scope, but also the external scope. And here's the organizational structure of the executive board, which consists of 7 C-level, with the CEO is leading the charge. And that is why we implement the organizational structure in our company. And the number 1 person is a Chief Executive Officer. That will be responsible for planning, developing, implementing, and directing the organization's operationals, as well as supervising as a whole, and Chief Finance Officer, which will be providing leadership, direction, management of the finance and accounting team. And as you can see, the job desk on the slide.
Hello, I'm Rhania Devi A. Next, we're gonna continue talking about our organizational structure, about the job descriptions of each position. In this slide, there is a COO and a CPO. COO manages all company's resources, including management and leadership skills for all of the team members. Meanwhile, CPO has the responsibility to manage all about product development under the company. Next, we're going to talk about the CLO, who maintains the entire supply chain and distribution system of our company, and CMO, who becomes the leader of the marketing team in expanding the exposure of our company to the public. And last but not least, we have a CGO, or Chief Green Officer, who has a key responsibility to take over all the green policies management. Moving into the next topic, we are glad to present our business model. The first aspect is Value Proposition Canvas, or VPC, which is divided into 2 points of views, from the company's perspective and from the customer's perspective. From the company perspective, we can see the products and services we offer, our gain creators, and pain relievers, which hopefully can fulfill the customer's VPC aspects, such as their gain, pain, and customer jobs. The endpoint of our VPC is our product, Bareca Sustainable Personal Care Packaging. Next, we're going to talk about the detailed description of each aspect in VPC. The first aspect is customer job, which is, in our case, formed as the SDG enthusiast. From this slide, we can see the 2 graphs that represent the significant increase of plastic waste from time to time. So, to minimize the spread of plastic waste, we need to fulfill the customer desires for zero plastic waste. The pain aspect can be described as an eco-friendly packaging causes environmental damage and customers don't know the smell of the product by not opening the packaging. Meanwhile, to erase the customer pain, we offer 3 major things. The first one is the basic material of the packaging is made of bamboo and areca, which are strong, eco-friendly materials. Second one is the bottom of the packaging is made of seed paper and there is scented sample on the outside packaging.
Okay, so what do customers get by using our product? They will get an ergonomic bottle packaging that are easy to use and also not easy to break. This can be achieved by utilizing ergonomically designed bottle cap as well as using bamboo and areca as the body material. They can also request a customized design for the bottle. Here are the sketches for our product design. And the next is, what do we offer in terms of quantified value? We offer 2 times stronger, yet 12.5% cheaper, and 7 times faster to decompose in soil bottle material. We also believe our personalized design for customer will make them 2 times more likely to be satisfied and 3 times faster to recognize the characteristic of the product. And here is our business model canvas for the product, which describes in details how our business will operate and generate profits. So next is our key partner is material, supplier, retailer, manufacturer, investor, environment activist, and environment department. As for our key activities, it will include R&D, marketing, orders and ship, and customer services. Next, we will utilize raw materials, which is bamboo and areca, and other material as well, workers, patent, prototype, and financial resources as our key resources. And for customer relationships, we will utilize refill station program, which allow customers to refill their product easily, 24/7 customer service, and loyalty program that will give customers special offering and discounts for purchase of our product.
The next part is the distribution channels, where in this section, we will explain how we can reach the target market that we have determined. We have 3 main distribution channels, which is online shop, offline stores, and sustainability events. Bareca has 4 customer segments, which is middle segment home, eco-friendly product enthusiast, personal care industry, and product supplier. Our value propositions are products that have high durability, so the packaging can be reused. The ability to customize designs for customers, scented samples that can be smelled from the outside so that customers can know before buying the product, eco-friendly products, and lastly, affordable prices. Bareca has 3 main revenue streams, which is first-time purchase when new customers buy products, recurring purchases after a new customer is satisfied with their needs met, and lastly, industrial purchases. This is our cost structure for Bareca, where there are R&D costs because as a new startup, we need a lot of resources. And then marketing costs to push sales of the product, manufacturing costs, and also logistic costs. The key take point from this section is Bareca has a value proposition that focuses on price, design, and unique concept. To realize this value, companies need to maintain the quality of Bareca's products and maximize marketing, which is the key activity of the business. The existence of quality resources will certainly produce quality products that are part of key partners and key resources. And finally, by providing optimal product value under the needs of the customer, it will certainly increase the level of customer loyalty. Next, we move to the fourth part of this presentation, which is conjoint analysis. We do conjoint analysis in order to determine what kind of products that we will sell. Here is our product description that was explained at the beginning of the presentation by Ivonny, so we can move on to the next slide.
Okay, I will continue this part. So my name is Amara. Bareca is a product packaging with a multi-purpose concept that can be used for personal care needs. As we are focused on eco-friendliness and sustainability, we use bamboo as the main material for this packaging product. The inside of the bottle is coated with areca, and the shape of our packaging was adapted from the bamboo natural shape, which is cylindrical, and the top of the bottle is similar to the toothpick packaging. Okay, next. The value proposition that we offer from Bareca are its customizable design and shape that is similar to the toothpick packaging to make it easy for the customer to open the bottle. And the eco-friendly packaging, and also there is a scented sample on the outside of packaging. Okay, next. The attributes that we choose are shape, colors, typography, illustration availability, scented sample availability, logo size, and also customization type. Each of these attributes has two opposite levels to be offered to customers. Okay, next. So these are the visualizations of our attributes and levels. Next. And after that, we generate the attributes and levels using SPSS and show the results of 12 different combinations. Next. We use this method of conjoint analysis to uncover consumers' preference and use that information to help select the product features. Okay, next. We use them by asking each of our respondents to choose between potential product alternatives that form through the combination of attributes and levels. Next. After designing the combination that we will offer in the customer survey, we enlist our respondents based on their occupation and income interval. So these indicators can help us to provide the suitable products based on their segmentation.
As stated on this customer demographic pie chart, our survey shows that most of our customers are college students, and most of our customers have income no more than 1 million rupiah per month. Based on given levels and attributes, our SPSS statistic analysis concludes that customers prefer the following trait: combination on the product, B-model shaped bottle with dark color, typography written in non-formal font, without illustration on packaging, with available scented smell, with small sized logo, and no customization. Next, our importance value from SPSS states what factor is most important for customers when choosing the product, the highest being the availability of scented sample, and the lowest being the ability to customize the product. Our analysis meets statistical significance as stated in correlations table. It means that there is a real correlation between the conjoint result with the respondent result. For conclusion of our conjoint analysis, attributes that need to be considered in designing sustainable personal care packaging are shape, colors, typography, illustration availability, scented sample availability, logo size, and customization type. We also conclude our customer preferences as stated before. We've made a product patent paper that elaborates the background, features, and further details about the product. Link available. We've also made a financial model that justified our product as feasible investment with 50.46% IRR for 5 years and payback period of 10 months. And that brings us to the end of the presentation. We are from Bareca. Thank you so much for your time and attention.